So welcome back for the 35th class of 35th chapter of MySQL Database. So here probably this won't work here, but we'll just try to look and have some idea here. So we are trying to extract values from JSON data type. Okay, so okay, so we'll try to use this. First create some myJSON variable. This should work. If not, then it will not work. The reason because this is not meant to do all these complex things, but still a lot of things are still working for us. So it worked. Good. So it worked. That's good. Alright, now what we'll do here is, the first thing is always works, but next never works. Okay, so here, okay, since it worked, and we'll use this. This probably won't work because there are some spaces here. These mean something here, so these are actually, we'll just not worry about this one. So okay, so we'll just select this and see here what's happening. Okay, so we've got some information here when we are trying to do. So we are trying to extract JSON alright, so as I told you, so this is some variable we are using here, and $1. Okay, so that means you're inserting some values here. So let's find out. So here we did something. Okay, we created some variable and casted something and called it as JSON, and then we are extracting the data, and the results are showing as null. So yeah, that's what it's showing as null. So null is all about. So this is how you can, this is like reading. You're selecting. You're actually selecting. First, you're setting it and cast some data. No, not data actually. The values here and saying as JSON, and then you're selecting it. And the values are showing now because there's no data in it. So simple. Okay, so let's go to the next section. This is similar to what we have done. Okay, so we are not going to run this again because this is similar to this you see here. But we are here, what you are using here is operators, and you are using this column underscore. See, this is much more complex than what actually this is, so we'll not just worry about it. But this is similar way of using operators, JSON extract operator. So do that for your homework. That should be good. And that's pretty much of about JSON. We got rid of this JSON after all. Okay, so this JSON, you want to read more documents on this JSON because this is kind of a different thing. First, we are creating some values here. In this previous class we did, and now we extracted in this, and we extracted some values here. So okay, so we don't want to, this will not work because you want this correct column, but this makes sense. Okay, this is what we are trying to do here. We are trying to extract some values, putting one in this label and all those things. Star is wildcard, basically whatever this is there is supposed to show that. So okay, so that's pretty much about JSON extract values from JSON data type. Okay, so this is not big, but the point is when you're using it into MySQL, this becomes complex. But as a tutorial point of view, probably it's enough, for understanding. For more it might get more complex and you have to add more multiple columns and multiple data types and data, a lot of things. So that's pretty much, and I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.